For me, before you start anything, always have your due diligence. Kasi it's hard when it's not hard, but parang for me, it's a waste of time when you just started and you don't know anything and you don't think through. So for me, it's a waste of time. Ano? So first of all, you do your due diligence. Our website, you can register, you can watch, and that is a free webinar. And then if you're ready to become a business owner, feel free to pay for the 149. You have 30 days to look everything out. And if you don't want it, you can always get refunded. Remember, only 30 days to get to see what our business can offer. Second of all, ito yung para sa akin nagiging you become successful when you know what is your why. The reason why you're starting a business, everything. It's not just about money, sa totoo lang. This business is not just about money. Everybody's why is about their family, their time freedom, vacation, anything, or investment. So when you start a business, have that strong why para you're gonna push through the business and